Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Venmo money to Fidelity. Now this is a two-step process. So what you're going to have to do is first transfer money from your Venmo balance. Okay, so here on your home page, click on transfer, and then we'll transfer this to our bank account. Okay, and then once you have transferred it, what you will do, you'll use that linked bank account, okay, and transfer money to your Fidelity account. So it's a two-step process. Once we have your money in your bank account, you come here, click on transfer, okay, choose which account you want to move money from. So here, choose your bank account that is linked, and then where will the money be transferred to? Here you pick your Fidelity account, okay, and here you'll see all the details, the frequency, you can choose that as well, the date, the amount, okay. And here, once you've chosen the frequency, amount, hit continue. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.